Everyone, welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to be reacting to some daily dose of internet. It's been a while. So without further ado, let's get straight to the reacts.
Hello everyone, this is your daily dose of internet.
That's gotta hurt to up the scooter. Hey, tubing. It's very fun to do.
Oh my.
It's just a decent.
Are you hoping for food? Okay.
Look at this. Heels to the wall, legs straight and together. Thank you. You come down. See? It's just like that. You gotta keep.
This might be the greatest dad reaction of all time.
We'll see about that.
Oh.
Hey.
I said I don't want a hot seat. Man, a kid, man.
It's like evil art was something like that. Jeez. Damn.
I don't know how something like this is even possible, but these people discovered that their water is super flammable.
How flammable are we talking? That is very unsafe.
I didn't know it was possible for the human body to get this hot at room temperature.
Oh yeah. I mean, there was like that one gym guy that the heavy training, he was steaming. Damn.
The shutter speed of their phone camera made this water look really weird.
Is that food? The top?
This just looks like a sim.
Fall down? See. Down.
That is so weird and so trippy. That has to hurt, doesn't it? Doesn't that hurt?
I had no idea that it was possible to get scammed by a sandwich.
Right? Right?
Damn.
The cheese.
Damn, that's just gotta suck. But people do that, apparently. Hi
For
there.
some reason, his cat is really good at playing video games.
Huh. That means a good performance from the cat.
They ordered this super
That's
fancy
impressive.
dessert.
I don't understand these desserts sometimes. That just sucks. Hey.
I'm really not sure if this is cute or creepy.
That is terrifying. Imagine all these little hands trying to grab your foot in the middle of the night or something like that. That would be terrifying. Oh. To the legs? Oh.
Estamos prestes a partir o maior ovo do mundo.
Bem, vamos quebrar o ovo gigante. Expectativa é quanta gema tem aqui.
Is it one of those eggs where it has more eggs in it? Yeah.
Ovo dentro do ovo!
I
This
think
really
we've
cool
had that once
tornado was caught on
before.
camera a few days ago.
That is so interesting. What are we watching? Oh no. It's probably because of it's like some black
He
eyes.
finally
I
made it
think.
to the bird feeder, but didn't know what to do next.
Aren't these raccoons extremely addicted to bird food or something like that? Oh no. That's just gonna hurt
This cat figured
so
out a
much.
lazy way to drink water.
No, that's just lazy. I know cats are lazy, but sheesh, that is extremely lazy. See, that is impressive. That is impressive.
This dog was perfectly
body strength.
camouflaged.
I have been looking for this dog for a half an hour. Benzie. Benzie, I have been calling your name.
That was kind of funny though.
Get it, Lincoln, go! Lincoln, you forgot the ball.
His golf
That's
bag
gotta
started
go
rolling
well.
away.
Sheesh, last time I did something like this with golf was when I was little. I thought like one of those little trolleys.
This
It's not fun.
professional driver decided to prank this other driver.
That
This
is
random
actually
guy
smart.
found someone that fell asleep at a red light.
Bro, you trying to go in, man?
No,
You been asleep at the light, bro.
I'm not sleeping, dude.
This cat decided that they didn't want any more visitors.
Hey, look at the dog. Damn.
A few days ago, this plane came in for a landing and was balancing on one wheel.
This is why I'm terrified of flights. This is why. Is that a cat? Yes. I mean, if it's camping.
They decided to take advantage of this fire hydrant that broke.
In summary,
This
free car
dog
wash,
is a really
but it's
bad
not
hunter.
really good. Damn, how close is this dog in?
Oh, God. Imagine if we were just going to get a burger from Mackey's.
There was recently an earthquake
Damn.
in the Philippines, and this guy got a leg cramp at the absolute worst time.
That has to hurt.
This crazy storm was captured at an airport in China.
Again, I am terrified of flights because of this. That is terrifying. That's why you just don't do it for too long. Just do one swing, then get it in.
This is one of the smartest ideas I've ever seen.
I mean, if it works, it works. That was actually really impressive. Using one fan, saves electricity,
This cat
gets
managed
everyone
to save this chicken
pretty
from
smart.
being eaten by an eagle.
Eagles are huge, by the way. That is, it's so impressive how big they are. Damn!
I feel like you're supposed to turn off the water before working on any plumbing project.
You're supposed to.
It's gonna go straight up.
Yeah, there we go. They're supposed to turn off the water. If they were proper plumbers, they wouldn't know. You gotta turn
I'm
off the water
currently in the
before
United
you do any
Kingdom,
work.
and I found this super pretty secret path that looks like heaven.
Nice. And that was it for today's video. Not bad. Some decent clips, some clips that just prove to me why I'm scared of flights in some aspects. We've got all these air crashes happening, which I just don't like planes at the moment. But otherwise, if you guys did enjoy, hit that subscribe button, it's free to do so. This should be a video coming out tomorrow as well, which is going to be a Forza video. And if you don't want to see me live stream, I do live stream on Kick mostly, so go check it out. And I mean, maybe I'll still stream on Twitch, but otherwise, catch you guys next one. Peace out as always, have a great day, and yeah, see you guys next one. Peace.